People ask me my advice all the time when it comes to being a DJ, especially during weddings, because I've been doing this a long time. In fact, I have a workshop, the entertainment experience, so there's a training aspect there. There's lots of training out there. And young men and women that are in the DJ business, they're always looking for ways to get better, or they're coming to me because they want to learn something and they want to do this. They want to do it right. Let me do it right. Hi, I'm Bill Hermann. This is Creative License. Sponsors EV and Electric Voice. That's Electric Voice speakers, Electric Voice microphones. Electric Voice, they're great. You should take advantage of Electric Voice. I do. Also, I sponsor my own little show with the Entertainment Experience, which is the workshop I'm talking about. Anyway, I believe, and this is, my training friends, the guys out there who make training available to DJs, they're great people, and I'd like to think that I do okay as well. So this is going to be a little counterintuitive about promoting workshops, but the best way to learn, or maybe not the best way, but a really good way to learn, is to do what you're doing with abandon and learning by the terrible mistakes that you make. I know it seems counterintuitive, and we will tell you, those of us that have done this a really long time, that learning by doing mistakes in front of your clients, your paying clients, not the best way. Not the best way to further your career. Not the best way to make yourself look good or get paid. But then again, every great thing that I ever got good at, I tried in front of an audience and failed, and then tried it again. So yes, that's a great way to learn. It's a really great way to learn. Being courageous enough to try something in a situation that has pressure to it, or you're being paid to make a mistake so you can actually learn from the mistake. The guys that are out there doing it with abandon, like they know what they're doing, and they're doing it badly, and they have no idea that they're doing it badly, I got a problem with that. Okay? Now, where does training fit into this? Well, in a training situation, you get to do these things live in a controlled situation with a person and a coach who can critique you in the moment, which means you can learn from your mistake quicker, with more velocity. You can be redirected by that coach so that when you step out to do that same thing in front of an audience, you've done the mistakes without having to do them in front of a client. What many of us as trainers have done is done the hard work for you, which is done dumbass things in front of clients and had to deal with the consequences, and then changed up and learned from those things for you. You can do it the hard way if you want. I did. Not all the time. When I realized that I could get training and I could make the mistakes in front of somebody who could critique me, it went a lot better, and I got better with more velocity. What do you think of this? I know you've got an opinion. Do me a favor, let me know, comments below, or reach out to me, bill@billherman.com. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week from the road.